Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today we have something very useful for beginner English learners.
That's right. Today we will practice 20 daily English sentences you must use every morning.
These are simple and natural English sentences you can use in your daily life.
From waking up in the morning to brushing your teeth, making coffee, and getting ready for school or work.
These sentences are easy to learn and perfect for beginners.
Yes, if you are learning English, this lesson is for you.
Grab your coffee, relax, and learn English with us.
Listen carefully and try to repeat after each sentence.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Practice every day and keep going.
Okay, Alex, I think we're ready.
Let's start today's 20 daily English sentences you must use every morning.
Good morning. I feel happy today. Good morning. I feel happy today. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. Cold water wakes me up. Cold water wakes me up. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. Breakfast is ready. Breakfast is ready. I drink orange juice every morning. I drink orange juice every morning. What should I wear today? What should I wear today? My hair looks nice today. My hair looks nice today. I have many things to do. I have many things to do. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. Don't forget your keys. Don't forget your keys. The elevator is slow today. The elevator is slow today. I listen to music on the bus. I listen to music on the bus. I need to buy some milk. I need to buy some milk. These apples look fresh. These apples look fresh. Exercise gives me energy. Exercise gives me energy. I clean the dishes. I clean the dishes. I have a new message. I have a new message. The flowers need water. The flowers need water. Have a wonderful morning. Have a wonderful morning.
Awesome job, everyone. You practiced 25 useful morning English sentences today.
Yes, little by little, your English is getting better every day.
Remember, speaking English every morning can really help your confidence.
Try to repeat these sentences again tomorrow for more practice,
And maybe practice them while drinking your morning coffee.
or while getting ready for school or work.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson.
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel.
And turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Thank you so much for listening today,
Take care, keep practicing English.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.